Okay guys, tell me if this sounds familiar. Just like me, you also upgraded your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 developer beta to see what the new updates and changes were, and now you are tired of it because it's either too laggy or your phone is overheating and you want to switch back to iOS 18. I have been where you are. I had recently updated my iPhone 15 Pro Max to the iOS 26 developer beta, and after checking out a couple of features and what the changes were, I was feeling a little underwhelming to say the least. So I thought of downgrading back to iOS 18 and also sharing the process on how you guys can do the same. So that is exactly what today's video is going to be about. Yo, what's up guys? Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. And today I'm going to show you guys a really cool tool called Dr. Phone iOS System Repair, which you can effectively downgrade from the iOS 26 developer beta to the stable iOS 18.5 release, no matter what iPhone you had. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright guys, so first things first, all you have to do is head over to Dr. Phone iOS System Repair's website. From the first link in the description below, you can see a couple of features that are mentioned over here on how effective this app is and how it works. And after you've glossed through that information, make sure to hit on that free download button and get it installed on your computer or laptop. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do after we have installed Dr. Phone is open it up. Now over here, you can see that this is open, and where you want to navigate from here is to the system repair section that also supports iOS 26, as you guys can see. So let's just hit on iOS 26 system repair and see what are the options that we get. Okay, so we are obviously going to go ahead and select iPhone from here, and from here we can go ahead and select iOS upgrade or downgrade, because I want to downgrade to iOS 18. So hit on iOS upgrade and downgrade, and from here you want to navigate to downgrade iOS. Okay, another important thing that I would like to inform all of you is that downgrading your iOS is actually going to erase all device data. So if you haven't created a backup, you can go to Wondershare and go to My Backup and create a backup over there. So make sure you do that. Now I have already backed up all of my data, and that is why I am just going to read this and then hit on continue for the next step. Okay, so for my 15 Pro Max, you can see currently I am on iOS 26 with 70% battery and around 200 GB of storage is there. My latest version that I can downgrade to is the iOS 18.5, and you can see it's around 9 GB. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that download button. Now this is going to download the firmware package, and it will take a little bit of time. So I'll be back once this download is complete. Alright guys, so as you can see, the download has finished finally, and we've downloaded the 18.5 update or the downgrade. Now all you have to do is hit on that repair now button and make sure that your phone is connected to your computer or your laptop. So now our phone is going to go into recovery mode, and this is going to be really simple. It's basically going to downgrade it, but all your data is going to be lost, and so you'll have to back it up and restore it later. Alright guys, so as you can see, the downgrade is completed. It hardly took 5 to 6 minutes for the entire process, and now you can go ahead and open up your iPhone and you will be greeted by the iOS 18 hello and the welcome page. So that's how easy it was to effectively downgrade to iOS 18 from iOS 26. And now if you have any additional backup or anything like that you want to restore, you can go ahead and hit on that restore button from Dr. Phone itself from Wondershare, and that is also something that you can do, or set it up as new. But yeah, that's how simple it is. Alright, see how easy that was? In a couple of minutes, literally, I could downgrade to iOS 18, which now feels much smoother on my iPhone. So I really hope that this video helps you guys downgrade too. Check out Dr. Phone iOS System Repair from the first link in the description below, and show some love by liking and subscribing. With that said guys, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, make sure to like, subscribe, and take care of yourselves. Peace out. Bye-bye.